Okay, good afternoon, good day. My name is Chris Palmer. Welcome back to the channel. If you have not already, please, I urge you to subscribe. If you have not already, especially if you love SEO, if you have a local business, digital marketing, anything pertaining to business or SEO and wanting to learn more ways to generate and earn more organic traffic, which of course will equal more revenue over time, then I urge you to please subscribe. That is enough self-promotion. With that said, in today's video, I recently made a video on how to make a YouTube citation. It was a secret method, how to make a YouTube citation. In today's video, I would like to show you how to make a Wikipedia business citation for your local SEO campaigns, and that will be in today's SEO video, how to make a citation with Wikipedia. Let's get into it. So, sorry, I'm trying to quit. In any case, so let me just first, there is a little bit of prep that you'll need to do. You're going to first need an internet connection. I'm kidding. Go to Wikipedia, all right? On Wikipedia, wherever you are, wherever you live, once you're there, you will need an account, okay? So you will need an account. Hopefully you have numerous accounts out there in the world. I'm sure you do. But once you're there, what you'll want to do is go to English. I speak English. Whatever you speak, whatever language you speak. What you'll do is there's two talk buttons. See, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. All right, guys. Now there's a talk button over here to the left, but what you will want to do to create your Wikimedia, this is Wikipedia, citation for your local SEO campaigns, to create the citation, which will be indexable, but it's a no follow. In order to create this citation on Wikipedia, you will need to click on the right-hand side talk button. Okay. Once you're inside of your account, make sure you already have your account, and you go to the right side and click the talk button. What you will then want to do is go over here to see here in the left-hand side, I'm circling it with my mouse, click on user page. All right, guys? Once you click on user page, my man Curly here, right? I love these guys. I've had this sitting up front, and I brought it here for my videos. So these are some of my favorite guys. If you love them, give me a thumbs up on the video. But back to business here. So, like I mentioned, top right, hit the talk button, and then once you're on this page, you'll see this come up. It says user page. Click user page. And then this is where you will want to fill out your citation for your business. One of the things that I like to do is you could go ahead and embed files. So I would probably go and get my map, right? There'd be a couple things that I would do. I would go and get my map, listing my embed code. I would put that in here, so my embed code, right? But to make the citation, obviously, it's going to be Chris, right? You would put your business name. So here, I'll do it this way. Your business name, address, right? Your phone number. It's USA, so your country, right? I would put the embed code here from your map. I would put some images in here, right? I would make it stand out, because most of the time, especially if you send some links out here, right? Not that you would do something like that. Excuse me. A lot of the times, I've seen a lot of these user pages indexed. You will come across these. You could also run into some issue of others maybe outing you for this particular type of practice. Remember, this is not a website. There are some terms and conditions here. You could read over those. However, I have seen tons of these pages doing exactly this. Maybe not tons, but once this is out, I'm sure there'll be a few hundred more. So we have, let's get back to it. Business name, address, phone number, your country, your embed code from Google Maps, right? Your images, maybe put some video in here. And then my recommendation is between 500 to 700 keyword rich description, right? I would maybe list some of my locations, right? If you have numerous locations or multiple business locations. And then quick little tip for you, if you have numerous user pages, maybe you could interlink them. But this is how you will create your business citation on Wikipedia for your business. You could create your business name as your Wikipedia user page, right? And then you could make your business citation on Wikipedia, which can be indexed. I've seen them indexed before. Read over the guidelines, read over everything. I hope that this video has brought you some value. If you love SEO like I do, please subscribe. And that will be it for today's video on how to create a citation on Wikipedia. Thank you.